Hello everyone, myself JP Singh and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. In this video, we are going to discuss about ribbon. Ribbon is a one common thing that you use while working on the Microsoft tools like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. So look at here, we are in the home ribbon, insert. So these are tabs, and just below the tabs, we have this command informations which is coming in a form of a group. That is basically a ribbon. You can show and hide the ribbon, show tabs only. Whenever you click onto the tab, it will show the ribbon to you. It will increase the space basically. But do you know that we can add a customized ribbon? Yes, guys, we can add a customized ribbon if we are using few commands from the home tab, few command from the data tab, and few from formula like. So can we customize? The answer is yes. How can we do that? Let's learn quickly. I right click anywhere on the ribbon and I'll get an option called customize ribbon. So when I click on customize ribbon, it will show me all the ribbon available here. So these all ribbons are there. So how can we add a new tab and the commands in the ribbon? That's the thing. So I can click on a new tab. My new tab is ready for me. I can click on to the tab name and quickly rename it. Rename it with any good name. I'm giving a very simple name, my tab. So it is a my tab. Under that we have a group. You can also rename. I quickly make it my group or maybe my commands and I click on OK. Now under that commands group, you can add whatever command you are frequently using. Like I can add filters, which I'm very much using. I can using a center aligning. I can use a copy. I can add a fill color and so on. The freeze pane, which is a part of some other tab. I can add a margin center. I can add maybe a spell check and I can see that these all are coming here, and the sequence is after home. If I want to make it a before home, I can just make it up and you can see that the my tab is coming before the home tab. So it's a custom tab because I created that. That's why it is showing a custom in the bracket. So I make it visible by clicking on OK. Boom, guys, it's here. You can see that you have a my tab and all the command that you added. So you have so much space to add that. Guys, definitely this is going to help the productivity while working on to MS Excel. Thank you so much for this video.